Friends, welcome to my channel. This is Martin with you. Today I'm going to teach you a song, a famous song from Pushpa, Srivalli. This one very short video. You can learn this song within 5 to 10 minutes. Okay? If you are watching first time my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon. You can get notification automatically. Okay? I will show you from beginning. First I will show you the scale. It's scale of E major. Here 4 sharp E, F E sharp, G sharp, A, D, C sharp, D and D sharp. But in same time, some places D is coming natural. That's why play carefully. Okay. In here, in D string, your D sharp coming here. There is no open D. Okay. I will start from beginning. First, I will show you from beginning. Here, first note is E. You start from offbeat 1 2 and like this 1 2 E B B B B B B B B B B B B like this 2 set. Then A B A G. Same repeating like this 2 times. Okay, once again let me show you 1 2. Next one, here you can use the fourth finger, okay, and fourth finger and third finger close together. That means A and G sharp. A G F F E. G F is slurred note, then F E. Okay. Second time, A B G F F E. And the third time, yeah. That 3 section is different note. First one is like this A G F F E. Second time, last time A B G F. Okay, A B G F F E. Then E F G F D sharp be down. Okay. Okay. After D sharp, you just coming to up. Okay. The same finger is coming E like this. Okay. Then after that. There E F G F G. There is one trill note. F E D natural. Once again. Then D natural. C D. C A B. Same repeating 2 times. Okay, once again I will show you the same bar slowly. D natural. Okay, we can move to Anuvallavi. Anuvallavi start after a half beat rest. 1 2 1. This one playing. I will show you 1 2 1. Here 1 2 1. After rest. Use the fourth finger E. Do not remove your first finger B. D natural. D E. Okay. D E D natural E. Same bow. C B C B B. After rest, 1 2 1. B C B A. G B B. There is G B only. 1 2 1. Once again. Second time. 1 2 1. Second time there is no rest in third bar. After this, straight playing. Once again I will show you both second. Rest. Second time. Okay, next one, last one. Here B C D natural. Here D is coming natural. B C D C B C D C. Like this. B C D C B C D C B C D C B B B. That is 3 times. B B B. Then E. You can use the third position. I hope you all enjoy my video. If you like my video, please follow my channel. Okay, I will upload like this useful pieces every week. Also, before you practicing, you just listen this song. Then after that, you write the notes. Okay, see you soon.